What is up, guys? Done at this site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your LinkedIn badge in 30 seconds. So first, you need to head over to your LinkedIn profile, and then you just simply need to log in with your LinkedIn account credentials. After that, on the right side, you need to click on your profile and then click on View Profile. After clicking on View Profile, here you will see the option to Add Profile section. Simply click on this, and after clicking, you need to click on Recommended, and then you need to click on Add Licenses and Certifications. Now to add your badge, you simply need to enter the name of your badge, and after that you need to enter the issuing organization, and after that you need to enter the issue date and the issue year, the expiration date and the expiration year, and there you need to enter your credential ID that is provided on your badge and the credential URL. After that, when you're done, simply click on Save to add your badge. So this is how you can add your badge on LinkedIn. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.